Hey everyone, welcome back to WeeklyTools. Today we're talking about one of the most common and annoying car problems, rough idling. If your car's shaking, sputtering, or RPMs keep bouncing up and down when stopped, you've got an engine idle problem. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to diagnose and fix it step by step like a pro mechanic. Let's get started. You might notice your engine shakes or vibrates at stoplights. The RPM needle jumps or drops randomly. You feel the car's about to stall. Or maybe you even see the check engine light pop up. Pro tip: if your RPM is below 600 or above 1000 at idle, that's not normal. Step 1. Check for vacuum leaks. The most common cause of rough idle is a vacuum leak. That's when unmetered air enters the engine, messing up the air-fuel mixture. Here's how to check it. 1. Start your engine and listen for any hissing sound. 2. Spray carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner around the intake hoses. If the engine RPM changes when you spray, you've found your leak. Pro mechanic tip: old rubber hoses crack over time. Check the ones connected to the intake manifold and PCV valve. Step 2. Clean the idle air control valve, IAC. Next, check your idle air control valve, or IAC. This part regulates your idle speed by controlling airflow. When it's dirty, your car struggles to idle smoothly. 1. Disconnect the battery. 2. Remove the air intake tube. 3. Unbolt and remove the IAC valve. 4. Spray it with throttle body or carb cleaner. 5. Let it dry, reinstall, and reconnect the battery. Step 3. Clean the throttle body. Carbon buildup around the throttle plate can cause your idle to fluctuate. Remove the intake hose and spray the throttle body cleaner inside. Gently open the throttle plate and clean all around it using a clean cloth. Step 4. Check spark plugs and ignition system. Rough idle can also come from weak spark or misfiring plugs. Pull out your spark plugs. If they're black, oily, or worn, replace them. Also check your ignition coils and plug wires for cracks or corrosion. In my opinion, is always use OEM spec spark plugs. Cheap ones can cause more idle problems. Step 5. Check the MAF sensor. The mass airflow, MAF, sensor measures how much air enters your engine. If it's dirty, your engine won't idle right. Remove it carefully and spray MAF sensor cleaner, not carb cleaner, on the sensor wire. Pro tip: never touch the sensor element with your fingers or a brush. It's very delicate. Step 6. Scan for trouble codes. If you still have issues, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. Codes like PRO505, idle control system, or PRO300, misfire, can point you to the exact problem. Once you've cleaned and checked everything, start your car and let it idle for a few minutes. You should notice a steady RPM, smoother sound, and less vibration. That's how you know the job's done right. And that's it. That's how you fix a rough idle like a pro mechanic. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more DIY repair videos every week. Thanks for watching, and keep your ride running smooth.